Okay, so I have an elevation of a cone in contact with a sphere, and then I have my plan here with my cone here, the bigger circle, and then my sphere here in contact here. So I've already found that sphere in plan down here, and I've used that by rolling out that sphere in elevation, then bring it down here to the plan. Now, so I want to find the point of contact in both plan and elevation, so I'm going to bring a point from the center of this rolled out sphere, so I'm going to go perpendicular to the side of the cone, bring it back to where it touches. That further then will go on to go across here horizontal where to find my point of contact. But what I can do is I can bring the yellow line's already done out here, but I'm just going to do it over again in orange. So that's coming down along here. My arc was swung out. Like so. Was brought down from, to find the point down here on this circle, I've brought it down from the center of the sphere up here. That found my point in plan where I could bring that back to the, I could bring that back then to the center of the circle here. So okay, that there is perpendicular. Just mark that in, it'll be easier to see. It's perpendicular to the side. Now, when I went perpendicular, it creates a point here on the edge of the cone. So I'm going to bring that down to where it hits the center of the circle here. I'm going to do this in orange again because it's just easier for me to see it. So that comes down here. I'm getting my compass, center of the circle, spread it out to where it hits the axis. Rotate it to where it hits this line here, what I brought up from the center. So that's rotated to find a point here. So that point there is my point of contact. All I have to do now is bring that back up to my elevation. And this point on the edge of the cone, that can be brought horizontal across. Which then will give me a point here. The point of contact. So that is my point of contact in elevation, my point of contact in the plan. So all that was done was just to be brought up. That was brought up. That was brought across.